Hello everyone, welcome back to HVAC official channel. Have you ever looked at a split AC and wondered how it actually cools a room? Where does the heat go? What do the indoor and outdoor units do? In today's video, I'll explain what a split AC unit is, how it works, its main components, and why it's one of the most popular air conditioning systems in homes and offices. I'll explain everything in simple language, so if you're a beginner or an HVAC student, you'll easily understand the complete working principle. Let's get started. What is a split AC unit? A split AC unit is an air conditioning system made up of two separate units: the indoor unit, evaporator unit, and the outdoor unit, condenser unit. The indoor unit is installed inside the room and supplies cool air, while the outdoor unit is installed outside the building and releases the heat absorbed from inside the room. Both units are connected by insulated copper refrigerant pipes, electrical wiring, and a condensate drain pipe, allowing the refrigeration cycle to operate continuously. Main components of a split AC. Let's understand the major parts. The indoor unit contains evaporator coil, blower fan, air filter, expansion device, depending on system design, temperature sensor, electronic control board. The outdoor unit contains compressor, condenser coil, condenser fan, service valves, inverter PCB in inverter models. Each component has an important role in the cooling process. How does a split AC work? The cooling process follows a continuous refrigeration cycle. First, the indoor blower draws warm air from the room through the air filter. The warm air passes over the cold evaporator coil, where the refrigerant absorbs heat from the air. As heat is absorbed, the refrigerant changes from a low-pressure liquid into a low-pressure vapor. The cooled air is then blown back into the room, making the room temperature more comfortable. Meanwhile, the refrigerant vapor travels through the copper pipes to the outdoor unit. What does the compressor do? The compressor is often called the heart of the air conditioner. Its job is to compress the low-pressure refrigerant vapor into a high-pressure, high-temperature vapor. This compression allows the refrigerant to release the heat it collected from inside the room when it reaches the outdoor condenser coil. Without the compressor, the refrigeration cycle cannot circulate refrigerant effectively. How does the outdoor unit remove heat? The hot refrigerant enters the condenser coil in the outdoor unit. The outdoor fan blows outside air across the condenser coil. As air flows over the coil, heat is released to the atmosphere, and the refrigerant changes from a high-pressure vapor into a high-pressure liquid. This is why the air coming from the outdoor unit feels warm. It is carrying away the heat removed from your room. What happens next? The high-pressure liquid refrigerant then passes through the expansion device. The expansion device reduces the refrigerant's pressure, causing its temperature to drop significantly. The cold, low-pressure refrigerant returns to the indoor evaporator coil, where it absorbs heat again. This refrigeration cycle repeats continuously until the thermostat reaches the desired room temperature. Why is it called a split AC? The name split AC comes from the fact that the system is divided into two separate units. Unlike a window AC, where all components are inside one cabinet, a split AC separates the noisy compressor and condenser outdoors, while keeping the quiet evaporator and blower indoors. This design provides quieter operation, better comfort, and a cleaner appearance inside the room. Advantages of a split AC unit. Split AC units offer several important benefits. They operate quietly because the compressor stays outside. They provide efficient cooling for individual rooms. Most modern models use inverter technology for improved energy efficiency. They are also more attractive in appearance than window air conditioners and are available in various capacities for different room sizes. Basic maintenance tips. To keep a split AC working efficiently, clean the air filters every 2 to 4 weeks during heavy use. Keep the outdoor condenser free from dust, leaves, and other debris. Schedule professional servicing periodically to inspect the electrical system, coils, drain line, and refrigerant circuit. Good maintenance helps improve cooling performance, reduce electricity consumption, and extend the life of the system. Conclusion: a split AC unit is a highly efficient air conditioning system made up of an indoor unit and an outdoor unit, working together through a closed refrigeration cycle. The indoor unit absorbs heat from your room, while the outdoor unit releases that heat into the outside air. This continuous process keeps your room cool, comfortable, and energy efficient. Understanding how a split AC works is one of the most important foundations for anyone learning HVAC or planning to buy an air conditioner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HVAC Official Channel.